Here, but today we're gonna be doing how silly slime and slime are different. So, my slime is actually sticky.
My slime is not now. At first, my slime was sticky. Now mine is not.
So, let's fill it. Let's see how this is so different. My slime, it's actually kind of poppy.
And the slime and the goo and the slime and the silly sand, they're both like soft and stuff.
No, this is like more stickier. It stays on you. This side isn't really kind of good, but this time it will just stay.
I'm not used to slime because it always sticks to me.
Yeah. So now let's see the silly sand. Okay. So crack open our Easter eggs.
Those are not Easter eggs.
Look at this cracker. I can't open it. Can you open it? Open it for me. Open it for me.
Oh yeah, you are.
Guys, I'm rotating the camera, right? Okay. I'll use this whole piece. So this looks really cool. So you can see it, but so
Mine doesn't.
so sticky. I gotta make shapes out of it. So soft, doesn't get stuck to you. A weird thing that it feels so weird when you start going like that.
And it's so soft.
You know, look at the. Do you guys see the glittery? Like, you see right from right there maybe. I don't know where you guys. Maybe like right there. It's kind of
The silly
glittery.
slime.
You know, that's the.
Now that we have
It's like
the
jewelry and all those fuzziness.
It's
So amazing.
I like how it feels.
I know, it feels so good, huh? So good. Compared to the slime,
The slime is kind of sticky.
it's so stickier and all that.
At first, I thought silly sand was some kind of slime,
Yeah.
but it's not.
So we're gonna be giving away. We created some sand. These giant ones are $2, and we had some like mini size ones that were like at this much slime for $1. But $2.99 and one slime is $1.99.
The tiny ones are so little.
I know, because I had to make it fair. Because the big ones have to be more. I bought the
we
gallon
made them
of
since
glue.
the little ones.
Yeah,
They
I
were
bought the gallon glue to make so many slime, and I went to go sell them at Paramount one time. I sold it at Paramount.
We found these at Paramount Park when they did this celebration.
Yeah, I went in the
And
night though.
we didn't get to do that much stuff because we spent all our time at the playground.
Yeah, but I did sell some slime.
So we had to ask them, are they selling it? Because they were making slime. So we were
As well.
are you selling it? So
But we bought one and we found out that I used a gallon of glue. So we made some. Now I'm selling them as well. I sold them yesterday in the night.
they were kind of
Expensive.
a fail.
Yeah, not that much people wanted slime. But super good to have some slime and kinetic sand. Feels like kinetic sand. Okay, so this was pretty amazing.
Look at this.
Look at his slime. It's so sticky.
Hers was galaxy, but it turned all purple.
I know. Let me just put this away. Let me put this away really quick. Alrighty, I'm almost done. So play with some slime as well.
It's stuck to me.
Alright, this is so amazing.
But how are they the same?
Yeah.
That's our question.
What color was yours? Blue?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wait, look at this. blue sand. It's so amazing. It feels like sand, really.
It sounds like real sand, but more softer.
Yeah,
Hey, you dropped my silly.
we're gonna go see compared to the other sand to the other these. I want to see how sand will feel. These. Let's go to the sand. Let's see how amazing this sand is. That's that fluffy. And that's it sticky. It drops really fast. I'm gonna put a timer for how long. Okay. 2 seconds.
Like the normal sand is kind of harder.
Yeah, but I actually pretty much like this slime. I like this kinetic sand. There's a kinetic sand, and I did not like that dirt though. If you had a backyard of sand, what kind of sand? Would it be slime? Or would you rather have some silly sand or some normal sand?
Comments down below.
Yeah.
And make sure to hit that
Like button and subscribe to both of our channels.
Right now, you should watch our channel. Wait, you're watching our channel.
Next we'll have a video. And guys, I found some scammers who like to take people apart. So I will post that. And people, they were mad at me on Twitter.
Mine is Pepper.
And
I forgot.
what was it?
What is my channel?
I think it is Jasmine. Or
Jazzy? No.
no,
Pepper the Fox.
No, that's mine. It's up to him as Jasmine the Fox.
What's it?
Jasmine the Fox.
It was.
That's mine.
Then what's mine?
Look at guys, this slime could stretch really big.
Look at mine. Mine is red. Stretch higher. Higher. Oh no, it's gonna break. Look, I'm making poop.
Oh my god, guys, look at this is so giant.
I'm making ice cream. Look, I'm making.
Oh yeah, let's sing our song. Ready? Ice cream, ice cream, made from milk and cream. I like.
She likes to eat
ice cream. What flavor do you like, kids? Chocolate ice cream.
Yummy,
Makes me happy. I think we should play this right now.
My hands are all dirty.
Feels so good to touch this.
Then why are we singing about ice cream?
That looks like ice cream!
Oh yeah, because I was talking about ice cream.
I know, it makes me think of ice cream. Guys, I'll be playing Adopt and Raise a Baby today. I'll be posting 2 videos every day for just this week.
Maybe.
Yeah. So then tomorrow I'll post 2 videos.
Maybe.
And we'll be having a challenge!
Maybe.
What would you be doing?
I can't.
We'll do the challenge in the next video.
Maybe in my video.
If you want me to make your guys' codes, comment down below, or you want me to make you and something, or I can make the number.
Or you can come to our address, 7818. Forget that. That's just my tablet code.
Yeah, he told you his tablet code, guys. That's his number.
For my tablet code.
Yeah. Why are you giving him your tablet code? That's how you sign in. 7818.
That's mine.
This is so amazing.
Okay.
Because I do not use a camera because I have to hold it. If we had a third person here, it would be so amazing.
I can't. Oh, my slime. I hate slime.
Oh
Look.
man, wow.
This is why I hate slime.
Where I can get you. Wow, you guys like that? Looks so shiny. Well, guys,
Yours just looks like dark purple.
I know. Well, guys, I think we might end the video here.
No!
If you guys like and subscribe.
Can you get my slime?
If you guys like and subscribe. And subscribe to Jasmine the Fox, which is actually a boy. I just did that random name. So if you guys like and subscribe. Eat some ice cream before you guys go. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.